Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Muhammad Imdadul Haq, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 6. Our today's topic is construction 7. Dear students, let us see the question. Construction 7. This is in your book at page 152. Construction 7 is constructing a copy of a given angle. It means that an angle is given, we have to construct the copy of the given angle. Suppose an angle A is given. So let us draw. As the measurement of the angle is not given, so we can draw here any angle A at first. Suppose this is angle A. This is angle A. We have to construct the copy of this angle. We have to construct the copy of this angle. To construct the copy of this angle, at first we have to take a ray. At first we have to take a ray. Let PQ is a ray. PQ is a ray. Now take a point P on the ray. Choose a point P. Then put the pointer of the compass, pencil compass at A. Put the pointer of the pencil compass at A. And draw an arc with convenient radius which intersect the rays of angle A and rays of angle A at B and C. Now taking the same radius with P as center, draw another arc. Draw an arc at P which intersect PQ at Q. PQ at Q which intersect PQ at Q. Now measure the length BC. It means set the pencil compass to the length BC. Set the pencil compass to the length BC. Now taking the same radius with Q as center, draw another arc which intersect the previous arc at R. Which intersect the previous arc at R. Now join PR. Now join PR. So angle RPQ will be the required angle whose measure will be equal to the measure of angle A. Angle RPQ will be the required angle whose measure will be equal to the measure of angle A. Okay, now I have to write the description. Our first step is particular enunciation. In this part, we have to write the given information. So we can write here, given angle is angle A. it is required to construct the copy of the given angle A. Now we have to write the description of construction. Description of construction. Dear students, to write the description of construction, we need to follow the following steps. These steps I will write from the figure. It means that the process which I applied to draw the copy of angle A. This I will write in description. Step 1. Step 1. At first I have taken a ray PQ and I have chosen a point P. So I have to write here, draw a ray PQ and choose a point P on it. It means that at first I have drawn a ray PQ, then I have taken a point P on this ray. Then take A as center and draw an arc. Draw an arc with convenient radius. So this is step 2. Step 2. Take P as center, take A as center, and draw an arc. Draw an arc with convenient radius. To cut the rays of angle A at B and C. It means that I have taken A as center and drawn an arc which cuts the rays of angle A, these two rays of angle A at B and C. Now I have to write the next step, step 3. Step 3. Now taking the same measure, or we can say use the same compass setting, draw an arc with P as center. Use the same compass setting. Use the same compass setting and draw an arc. Draw an arc with P as center. with P as center. Draw this arc with P as center using the same compass setting. This arc will intersect the ray PQ at Q with P as center, which intersect PQ at Q. Now go to the next step, step 4. Step 4 is we have to measure the length BC. We have to measure the length BC. It means that we have to write set the compass to the length BC. Then draw an arc taking the same length. Draw an arc with Q as center. Draw an arc with Q as center with the radius equal to length BC, which intersect the arc drawn earlier at R. It means that with Q as center, taking the radius equal to length BC, draw an arc which intersect the previous arc at R. Then next step. This is the last step. Step 5. Then join PR. This gives the angle RPQ. This means that the angle RPQ has the measure the same measure as angle A. It means that the angle RPQ is the required copy of the given angle. So we can write therefore angle RPQ is the required copy of the given angle A. Dear students, I hope you have understood how to construct the copy of a given angle. It means our today's topic. Do this as your homework. This is your homework 12. Submit your homework on next Sunday. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Assalamu alaikum.